Hi, welcome to Bob Harper Jukebox Amplifier Repairs from Somerset, England. You may hear the rain tapping on my workshop. It's absolutely teeming down with rain for the last 24 hours here. So you may hear that in the background. But anyway, apart from the rain, let's have a look at this Tempo 1 amplifier I've had in for repair. It came in blowing fuses. I think the customer repaired the fuse and it blew again. He's also tested the diodes and one of them he said was faulty. So what I've done, I've replaced the diodes. They were those stop clip-in ones on these early rockola amplifiers. So I just replaced them with normal diodes and also replaced the 200 microfarad caps in the voltage doubler circuit. One had gone short circuit and that is what's causing the fuse to blow. So yes, I've done that and the amp powered up okay. Then I tested it and it wasn't sounding that great. So I tested the valves. Both output valves needed replacing and also had a very microphonic 12AX7 on the input, which I've also replaced. These may just be for testing only because I think the customer's bought a new set of valves for this amplifier. I need to check with him that. If that's the case, then obviously I'll remove these new valves I've put in when I send it back. Apart from that, it still wasn't sounding very good, and judging by how the tone controls came into me with the treble on maximum, minimum I should say, absolutely turned right back, and the bass on full, I would imagine this amplifier sounded a bit bass light and a bit treble heavy. So I've gone through the amplifier, replaced a few components that were the wrong value, and now it is sounding like a Tempo 1 amplifier should sound. Okay, so I'll put it on for you. Ooh, I can reach it. Treble, bass, okay, that's enough of that. So what I'll do now, we'll flip the amp over and have a quick look underneath. So here we are on the other side of the amplifier. The amplifier has been recapped by someone in the past. They'd replaced the multi-section capacitor on the top of the amplifier with a good quality one, direct replacement, so that was fine. They've doubled up on these coupling capacitors, probably in an effort to get more bass. I've left them in, it won't do any harm, but they don't really need to be there. So yeah, so as I said, I went through the amp. This little PEC, which should be something that looks like this, should be there, and that was completely missing on the amplifier. It just had a resistor there in its place and a very small value capacitor. So I put the network, made it up on a little bit of variable board, put it in there. So that's quite important for the sound of the amplifier, is in the feedback circuit, tone shaping circuit. So I've redone that and I've changed a couple of components on the tone controls up there. But apart from that, everything else is untouched in the amplifier. There's a new capacitor there, and it's obviously the matching one on the top. And the diodes I've replaced here with some heavy duty diodes that will never blow. The fuse will go before those go. And then they're in series anyway. So even if one did go, it's got a backup one behind it. That's why there's 4 there instead of 2. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. I don't know what's on the bench next. I have to wait and see what comes in. But thanks for watching.